So the suspended row is a great body weight row variation to strengthen and build the upper back. So what you're going to need is a suspension trainer, and I would prefer one that goes over a door if you don't have a free hanging pull-up bar on a squat rack, okay? Make sure you also don't put it on a pull-up bar that is made for the inside of a door. That's no good. So make sure if it can't just be over the door and closed, just check the description on those. If you have any questions, let me know. So you are going to lean back with a straight line in your body, and then you're going to row your elbows next to your side, extend all the way. Okay? So what I don't want to see is that your elbow comes way past your side. See that? Don't let that happen because that can be rough on your shoulders. I just want you to make sure that that upper arm and elbow meets the side of your torso. Extend. Just like that. Now, as you get down lower, you can bend your knees if you want to. It might be less awkward for you than keeping your body in a straight line when you get that low. Just remember that standing up more upright is easier and getting down lower is going to be harder. You're going to be pulling more body weight.